Good morning, LinkedIn. James here from Hobson Prior. I hope you've all had a good week so far. I wanted to speak to you today about how the use of technology can really help speed up a hiring process and also be more efficient, especially when coordinating interviews in different time zones. So I wanted to talk to you about a very specific piece of recruitment I did earlier this year, so just last month. We were working with a global pharmaceutical company who were looking to hire a clinical scientist in Switzerland. What they were finding is that they were losing out on candidates during the interview process to other opportunities. So essentially, they were getting candidates through to the second stage or the third stage interview, but by that point, other companies were moving faster, as they were getting offers from other places and dropping out of the process. Um, the reason for this was because the client had interviewers in different time zones. So they had an interviewer based in Switzerland, and they had two interviewers based in the UK, in the US. One was East Coast, one was West Coast. So actually finding a time slot which worked for all three of the interview panel was proving really difficult, and sometimes it was delaying it by 2 weeks or even 3 weeks. Um, we found them a solution. So we implemented a piece of technology called HireView. So HireView is a video-based technology which essentially allows the client to set a series of interview questions. Either we record them, we set them as text, or we can even get the client to record them themselves. The candidates in question then sent this video and answer the questions one by one on an individual basis. They only get two attempts to answer each question, so they don't get infinite amount of goes to correlate the perfect answer. What this really allows our clients to do, as well as the candidates, is find a time which is convenient for both parties. So no longer you're having to cancel a meeting, go into a meeting room to take part in an interview or wait to the end of the day. You can do this interview from a candidate perspective at your own leisure, from your own home, in your own time. And from a client point of view, you can watch this video at any time as well. So you can watch it, you know, when you have a spare 5 minutes, when you're commuting, when you're at home in the evening. It really does allow you to be really flexible. The benefit really was that not only did it allow both the candidate and the clients the freedom to watch it in their own time and make it in their own time, but it also meant that they weren't having to all meet at the same time and find a fixed point, which meant they could conduct this interview straight away. So when we implemented this process, it has sped up the process massively by over 3 weeks in total. Led them to the next hire being successful, and they actually beat the competition as the candidate was in another process, and that took longer. So we were able to secure them for this global pharmaceutical company. If you are struggling with the same situation, perhaps you have hiring managers with conflicting diaries often, perhaps this is due to being in different locations in different time zones, please do get in contact. I'd love to talk to you more about the technology we implemented and how we can make it work for your business. Have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you.